Hey guys, Derek here. Welcome back to a new video, I guess I should say. Um, so I haven't been posting, I've been deleting many videos. Um, and that is only because I've been working on myself as a trader and I've been, you know, working on my strategy and perfecting it, rather than just going out there and throwing out false information on stuff I do not know about. So I have enough written results and proof that I decided that I'm going to just start sharing my trades every day, or maybe not every day, just any trade that I see and take. I'm going to be uploading and giving you guys a review on why I took it, and I will be posting screenshots and analysis on Instagram as well. Um, it'll be the same name as my YouTube channel, but pretty much all I trade is clear market structure now. I keep the risk pretty low, and obviously the reward pretty high. Um, but as you guys can see, this trade was taken on, I believe it was Thursday night, Friday night, and I'm just now getting to recording it because I have had a lot to do and a lot of setting up to do. So yeah, you can see here that happened on the 21st of April. Um, so that was definitely Thursday, I believe. Friday morning, I should say, Friday morning, London session. But the trade here was very simple to me, at least. We were in an uptrend, as you can see here, on the pound yen. And if you look on the monthly, we've had already a great push on the monthly. We've had enough of this push, I guess you should say. And obviously, we know price is gonna need to come back down. Price will not go up forever. So after seeing that major push and seeing this support right here, I had this support get created. Let me show you guys this right here. I had that created, and I figured it was going to come down and go back up, but it stopped at this resistance, came back down, and then stopped at that resistance again. Um, it's just wasn't wanting to make a higher high at this point. And here, if we go here on like the 2 hour, I was looking for a trade from this range down to this range, possibly this range down to this range, and that's exactly what happened, because of this clear market structure you guys can see right here. This right here, I have no idea where I looked at, but I just knew that was gonna work. Oh, it might have been the 4 hour that I looked on. You guys can see there the wicks, but uh, I saw price. Oopsies. I saw price here create support, and it just kept creating support. Um, and price was in a range at this point. The time was, I believe, what was it? I think it was 10 o'clock at night. So London session hadn't even started. It was 10 or 11, and this candle came down and it broke below this support level. And we had this over here. I took it just because of the 4 hour, and I knew it was gonna fill the wick. That's the only reason I took that trade. Other people wouldn't have felt comfortable taking that trade, and I understand. Most people would have just started the trade right here and traded it down because of this. But I started the trade up here, a little early. I knew I've seen this happen too many times where it's not exactly London session yet. Um, in the back of my mind, I kind of thought price was going to come down and then get reversed back up once the volatility was going to kick in, like a false break or something like that. But that's not what happened, and the trade worked out perfectly. As you guys can see here, it's a ridiculous risk to reward ratio. Um, it's a 10 to 1. Um, but here you guys can see created support and it broke it. That's how I had my confirmation, so I knew I was okay to let this trade continue running. Um, but yeah, you guys can see it reached that range and it broke down here, and I just kind of knew it was gonna continue down to this resistance level over here. Price usually does that, and it's also lining up with the moving average right here, as you guys can see. So right now we might see a bounce back up. We're seeing some kind of pattern being created, some reversal pattern possibly. We're not sure. Gotta wait a little bit and see what exactly happens. But for the most part, that's looking a little better. But for the most part, we have no idea what's going to happen. But this drop right here was 150 pip drop. Obviously, it went a little lower, but I didn't feel comfortable trading it that low because of this level right here. And it was just a beautiful trade. We're going to see, obviously, we just seen price come down. So we're going to see price come down, and we're going to see it make some support, wherever that looks like. You know, whether it be a triangle and a breakup or a rectangle and a breakup, you know, a double top or double bottom, sorry, triple bottom, whatever it may be. We're gonna see some type of pattern, and I'm sure it's happening as we speak. We might start seeing price head back up for the pound yen this week. But for now, I am still looking bearish. I'm still looking bearish at this point, but that could change very quickly, and I am sure it will change very quickly. I'm positive it will continue up here in the long run. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much my trade. This trade right here, it's a little tiny one that I took. It's a 30 pip trade, but I might as well go over it. And just saw it right now, right next to this one. But this trade right here, you guys can see a support level was created, being created right here. And we had this clear market structure right here, guys. Clear. I saw this, respect this high, and the wick respected this previous wick high, and it broke the low, meaning that's like a sell kind of pattern, if you would call it. So with all of those indications, I took the trade, and within 15 minutes it slapped my take profit, and that was also a beautiful trade. That was a 5-to-1 ratio, you guys can see right there. It was just an absolutely beautiful trade, and yeah, I just figured I'd go over that one as well, because oh, and this I might as well mention as well, it was in a range, so coming up down here, I knew that it would continue down to the bottom of the range and complete that fall. So just all of those indications in that area in general really allowed that trade to just take off, and it was a beautiful trade. You guys can see there, within a 15-minute candle, it was gone. It was already over. And that is like a 32. That is a 40 pip candle that had dropped at that time. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. The same thing happened with the pound USD. I won't cover it though, as you guys can see right there. It's ridiculous how much that dropped. But I had the same idea with the pound USD. Clear market structure right here and down to here as well with this level, and it just absolutely destroyed those levels, and you could have left some profits running, and it would have just been an amazing trade. That one I did not take part in, sadly. I wasn't paying attention. I was too excited with the pound yen that I just absolutely lost focus. But that is the video for today, guys. I hope you guys understood something and learned something from me. I'm going to be trading every day and posting my results and my analysis on my Instagram and my YouTube. Possibly thinking about making a Telegram. And also, whoever sees this, if you guys are willing to see me live trading, if you guys ever want to see me live stream at night, that is also a possibility. I can do that as well. So you guys just leave in the comments down below what you guys think is best, and I can, arrange to those matters, because I feel that learning this skill is massively important. There's a lot of good that can come from this, and I'm still working towards this goal myself, so we can do it all together. And I'm not here to, take anyone's money or absolutely just lie to you guys and give you false information. Like, I've been doing this for 2.5 years now, and it's one of the hardest things I've ever had to do. Um, Trading in the foreign exchange markets isn't something you hear of every day, but it's definitely a challenge. And to surpass that challenge, it's a crazy belief, and I want nothing more than to be a successful stage 4 forex trader. And I've been working extremely hard on my own. I've never had a mentor. I've never had anything along those lines. Um, so it's it's just ridiculous. It really is. It's a crazy skill, and it's good to have. And I'm just glad I'm able to share my story with you guys. And I'm gonna start keeping a portfolio of everything that I do on all of my social medias. That way, you guys are able to follow along and possibly trade with me and learn from me. So yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoy your day. Hope you guys learned something from this video. And if you did, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to me if you will. I will be posting pretty much every day, if not every other day. And I will look forward to the next video and the next trade. See you guys.